Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be painting this car. I already spray painted a black freaking clear coat, black clear coat. It's literally just a black car, but I'm gonna be painting it. And then it has this little mechanism, so when you push forward or push back, it keeps the car moving. So um, it'll keep the car moving without you doing anything. So I thought that was cool. It's like a real engine. So I already got my materials ready, which is good, I guess. Okay. So the only colors I'm missing is black and white. I do pretty sure like white is over there somewhere, but I have like literally barely anything. So I'm gonna try to do some with it because I'm gonna try to do some other car designs. So I'm just gonna search up a black and red. Okay, because right, because like I don't really know like because I have no idea what I'm going to be painting for the design, and these are all the colors I have right now. So yeah, these are not necessarily common colors for cars. Wait a second. Wait, it's right. It's right. Black. But should black first, but it's just red with black fonts. Oh no, we got this one. That one's kind of nice, but it's like doesn't have like actual things. Like, that's the same car, but like it's just a black car and then red lights everywhere. Yeah, all I'm seeing is like red cars with black. And we got this car, so that one looks the most and closest to the car I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing this car. You guys can't see it. It's a what does it say? I don't know if it says it. Yeah, no. But it has basically the same body, but just different colors, obviously. I might actually do a dark red because I also don't really have much of light red. So, um, okay. I'm just gonna get a piece of cardboard for it. Okay. Anyways, I think it would look better with darker red, so it's not too vibrant, but just enough so it doesn't look unnatural. And I got a little bit thinner, so it's better for detail. But for this instant right now, this is kind of annoying because the whole top, the whole top part right here is freaking red. But I'm gonna do the sides first. So we got so it ends at the wheels. Definitely gonna have to do double layers. Um, so this video's gonna probably be more quiet video. So, yeah. It says it's definitely gonna need double coated because like you can see that, but you can definitely see black there. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but yeah. And then this is like it's like that. Again, in these videos, like I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like trying new things each time. So yeah. Right now I don't know, I just got in the mood liking cars. I don't know. I just did. Um Bro, my lip is bleeding. It's not as flat as I wanted it to be. Yeah, when it dries, it's like a brown. Okay, right there. So I might use a black Sharpie to make it more precise. While that is drying, I'm just gonna start painting the top. Cause if I'm gonna be doing the other side, I'm probably gonna be touching the other side. So I just want to get that side dry before I do the other one. Alright. Okay. I don't know. Nice. It looks like the wheels have a little bit, so I'm gonna do that as well. I'm just gonna get a little bit paint off. That looks nice. I have to do that 3 more. Break. No, 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 no. Yeah. Like I said, now it's a little bit harder to see. That is the only downside about dark red. What? Not that phone. So yeah, I don't know how many layers I'm gonna have to do of this color. Probably a little bit more than I intended, most likely. Okay. That's not fully true. Okay, those are not true. Oh my god. So the wheels just got this little red thing. And yes, stuff right in the inside, but I'm gonna paint that, which I might as well do while I'm waiting for this part to dry. Put that back over there. So yeah, I don't, I don't know how good it's gonna turn out. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put like I don't because I want gray that reads black and white, which I just not have enough. This like barely have any of this color, at least white. Like a good amount of black, but I just spray painted it black anyway. Like I literally have like none. So yeah, a little bit black, not too much black. That's enough. Because I want it to. I don't want it to be a dark gray. I just want it to be a nice light silvery gray. And yeah, it's already turning a little bit darker than I intended. So yeah. A little bit. For how? Oh, right. Okay. It's not going on. I wanted it to be. Yeah, that was not that bad. The other one was okay. Like you need a good amount to fit in there. Okay, I'm really bad at doing this. Okay. Um. Yeah. This. It's not very good. But it's okay. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like 2 layers will be fine for it. And yeah, so on the camera it looks normal, but like if you saw it, it's definitely a lot darker. And also it's because the camera is more pointing towards the light. So yeah, definitely 2 layers is better.
You are. I've replied to one time already. Whoa, what happened? What happened? You fell down. Oh man, the banana peels. I would have been totally dead there. Oh, oh, oh.
That is too much pain.
I technically won.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, that looks. In light, it looks so bright. Though, but it's probably not going to be as it dries. Um. Okay. So now this back piece. Yep. Piece is red. This like almost looks identical. Why does it look okay? Hmm. What? Hmm. Does this part that I'm about to do, this part that I'm about to do, it doesn't have it on the card, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. Just painting those window creases, not creases, but those little window things right there red as well. So yeah, this channel's like miscellaneous because like I don't know what I'm going to be doing next. I'm just doing whatever that I think would be entertaining. What the heck was that? The Lego? In your mouth? Yeah. Okay. I just accidentally got some paint in the window. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I don't think this video is gonna be so entertaining. So yeah, I did get a new car. It was worth 1,300,000 in car dealership. It was the Austin, like a Tron. I forgot the name, but yeah, I completely forgot the name. Yeah, forgot. But yeah, I'm gonna go get a snack, and I'm recording on my laptop, so I can just pause it, and then yeah, I'll be right back. So yeah, okay, I just got back. Yeah, I don't know how much it dried. Um, okay. It's not the best. Top isn't dried the most. It's not the best kind of whiteness. And even if I used light red, it like I barely have any. But I'm probably gonna do more cuts because I'm probably just gonna watch videos while the paint's drying. So yeah. But first, I'm going to make this more. It's not the right. Oh, first. Ugh. Okay, here, I need a this light shorting my eyes. Is that okay? Yeah. This is how I know this is how I know it's the good one because it has that little tag.
Sure.
Rick, why is it keep on doing that? Okay, so I used the Sharpie, and since it dried, it doesn't look too bad because the paint has already gloss on it, and it definitely looks a little bit more better and sharp at the top. So yeah, I like that better. So now that I got that fixed, I'm gonna wait for the top to dry. So I'm just gonna do another jump cut, but for you, it's gonna be instant. But for me, it's probably gonna take like 30 minutes. Not that long, like, I don't know, 15 minutes, but still. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to, okay, so here we go. I'm gonna try to do, so, I'm just gonna do this. Frick, I messed it up. Okay, I messed it up, but I just did it again. Think about that. Anyways, it's dried. It kind of came, like, messed up a little bit. Like, it didn't mess up, but, like, the layers of paint kind of just didn't look right. So yeah, that's kind of annoying, but whatever. Still looks nice. So like, um, so yeah, the back looks good. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put a second layer on the back, and then I'm gonna start doing the other side for the lines. Let me just. Freak. That's too much paint.
Oh my God. No, no. Fuck you. Move your about. So wow.
Okay. So just did first part of that. This one didn't take as long as the other one. So that's nice. But yeah. I know I'm taking a lot of breaks, but I need to take a shower. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna take another break. But you guys are just gonna again just snap by. Um and that will also give me enough time for that story. So yeah. See you guys. Well, that's just gonna see my face. You know what? Whatever. I'm gonna take a shower break. So yeah, you're just gonna see me clean. I don't know. Okay, like I said, just get back from the shower. Okay, so back to the video. The other side did dry. It definitely does not look as vibrant. So, gonna repaint that. again. And then I'll make it sharper with the Sharpie.
On Microsoft or Sony.
So, freak, bro, I just took Anyways, skip. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, and the back piece as well. Okay, I'm gonna do another jump cut. You guys won't notice it, but yeah. I know this video is a bit long, but yeah, probably gonna end soon. But yeah, in 3, 2, 1. Hello. Just got back from eating pizza. That's why there's food in my mouth, obviously. Um. So yeah, second layer has been finished. So now time. Do the finishing touches.
Over time, your nails will potentially grow. It would typically take about 6 months. If you suddenly lost all.
Okay. This side. And that side. Front and back. I think it's pretty cool. But I think those window pieces I did, I'm gonna get rid of because I don't know. I just don't think they look good. So I'm just gonna get rid of them.
Oh my god! No! Oh no! You're not!
Okay, yeah. I think that looks better. Yeah. I'm gonna try to use the light red. I don't really like have none, but I'm just gonna try anyways because I feel like it's just the dark. It just doesn't look right. I don't know. I just think
This is footballers who turn. Summer break, many footballers take holiday. But some players eat a bit too much food. Neymar Jr. has always been skinny, so he was into change it. In the summer 2021, he was seen on a boat when he didn't look skinny anymore. He had a beer belly and had to train hard to be fit for the start of the season. Some players have just always been fat. The Brazilian Ronaldo kept getting bigger for every year he played, but when he came back from his last holiday, you could see that he did his last season in football. Eden Hazard was good until he joined Real Madrid. He was injured all the time, and when he was injured, he just ate hamburgers. In the summer, you could see that the hamburgers had attacked his belly, so he had to retire from football. This is footballers who.
Babe, I think there's a golf on the water. I think that's crazy.
Yeah, that already looks better.
I met Lucy with his family, which I'm super golf ball.
Never mind. It says probably one.
Not gonna work with my name. I'm a caveman.
Well, I'm just kidding. But why does it have an X behind it? Babe, I think there's a golf on the water. I think it's golf on the water.
Oh yeah, this already looks better. But I'm probably gonna have to use the Sharpie again. Okay, there. Yeah, I definitely have to fix that.
You want this to a flying team that was invented by Sir Isaac Bryson?
Yeah. Yeah, this video is a little bit more lengthy than I really want it to be. That long, but probably gonna end it soon. And I'm probably just gonna do the rest off camera, which, yeah. And I kind of want to play something because it's 7 o'clock, which I still have a couple hours because I have to get off of everything at 10, and I usually go to bed around like 11. So, yeah. Jump cut again, but you guys won't notice it, but yeah. But that's one citrus, so yeah. Okay. Tried, and it looks like a billion times better. Like, this is so much better. So, I did have red paint, but I really didn't know how much I was going to be using. That's why I just didn't use it. And now I regret saying that. So, yeah, got it. And it's like quadruple the times better than it was. So, I'm happy with that. I'm just doing the black Sharpie thing again because there I got a little bit out of line. So just wanna fix that. Okay. Again, this is just a billion freaking times better. I'm probably going to do a little bit of off camera work with it. So yeah, I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.